Welcome to my channel DIT Info. Today let's see very simple text to speech program using VBScript. Open the text document, then type DIM. This is used to declare variable data types and information. Now type message as a variable and then type your message as a string. Then set SAPI. SAPI means Speech Application Programming Interface. Now create SP Voice object. This brings the text to speech engine capabilities to application using SAPI automation. Type SAPI.speak then space message. Save the file as .vbs. Now double click on the saved file and it delivers the speech which you have given.
Welcome to DIT Info. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.